In this video, we're showing you how to unlock the power of your data by connecting your Xperdyte SQL database directly to Microsoft Excel. Why connect directly? Instead of manual exports, a live connection allows you to refresh your data with a single click. This ensures your reports are always accurate, up to date, and ready for advanced analysis like pivot tables. In a blank Excel sheet, go to the Data tab, select Get Data, then from Other Sources, choose from OLEDB. This opens the Data Link Properties window, where you'll enter your server details. From the OLEDB pop-up screen, select Build. Then select Microsoft OLEDB Provider for SQL, click on OK. Enter the server IP address. Select the Use-Specific Username and Password option. Enter the username and password. Ensure you check Allow Saving Password, and select the Xperdyte database from the drop-down. Always hit Test Connection to verify. The server IP and password credentials will be supplied by Xperdyte support team. The connection string will show up on the From OLEDB pop-up, select OK. Then enter the username and password again, and select Connect. Once connected, the navigator window appears. Drill down into the Xperdyte folder and then DBO. Here, you'll find your custom SQL views. To view a data preview, first select your target view, such as Job Costs, and then click Load. The best part? You only have to do this once. Anytime you open this sheet in the future, just go to the Data tab and hit Refresh All. Excel will pull the latest production figures directly from Xperdyte instantly. Now that your data is live, you can insert a pivot table. Since Excel recognizes the data range automatically, you can immediately start slicing and dicing your job costs, material usage, and labor hours. Custom reporting made easy. By connecting Xperdyte to Excel, you keep your finger on the pulse of your factory floor. For help setting up custom SQL views, contact Xperdyte support today at info@xperdyte.co.za.